Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the error failed to find Roblox process KRNL Injector error. So, this should be a quite easy tutorial. Make sure your Roblox application the KRNL folder is not running on your PC and search for percent app data percent. File folder. So, after hitting, your file explorer will open up and navigate to roaming, and already here in roaming, and find the KRNL folder. Proceed to delete this folder and then navigate to your Roblox folder and delete and locate the logs folder. Disable antivirus. When this is done, you can proceed to close your file explorer and ensure your antivirus is currently not running while we reinstall the missing Roblox files. Launch Roblox Experience and head to roblox.com and proceed to play any Roblox experience. The website will try to launch Roblox and install all the missing files we just deleted. You should fix the failed to find Roblox process error you are getting. Use Microsoft Store version. You may also use the Microsoft Store version of the game to circumvent this and many other issues you can get when using version of Roblox. Simply search for Roblox in your Microsoft Store and download the game to your system. That's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!